Today we're going to make a Apricot Chia energy bar. And it's a no-bake, so it's super easy. In our food processor here, we're going to place 1 cup of dried apricots, 1 cup of pitted dates, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. And you're going to be seeing a lot of recipes with chia seeds. And then we're also going to be adding 1/4 a teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're going to blend this all together. Alright, you want to blend it until it becomes a nice little ball here, as you can tell. I'm going to spread that out just a little bit. So because next, we're going to add, funny story, 1 cup of pumpkin seeds. And we wanted to put them in other recipes, but we didn't realize it was called pepitas. So anyway, so that's what dried pumpkin seeds are. We're going to add 1 cup of that into our mixture. And we're going to blend that in too. We just want to chop it up just a tad bit, but we don't want to overly chop it. Once we get that pulsed around a little bit, we're then going to add 2 tablespoons of white chocolate chips. And again, we just want to kind of break those up. Alright, we've formed a nice little ball there. Everything is nice and mixed together. We're going to take an 8x8 pan. We've put some wax paper in the bottom. Some on both sides there. Take our nice ball of and we're just going to spread this out. Once we get it all spread out, we're going to put it in the refrigerator for, do not use this kind of spoon. We're going to use a wooden spoon. Just going to spread it out until it's nice and even all the way across. And then all we're going to do is we're going to let it sit up in the refrigerator for 30 to 35 minutes and it'll be ready to eat, to cut into squares. Alright, it's all done. After the 30 to 35 minutes in the refrigerator, cut it into squares however you want. We hope that you enjoy this recipe. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share.